Umbreon, check. Garchomp, check. Ray, check. Blastoise, check. Charizard, check. What more do I have to say? Birthday Pikachu, check. What else? Gold Mew. That's what else. Let's go!
Big bands for that heart right. Love everything I write. Hate to say that I'm too bright. Pink covered in frostbite. Excalibur sword knight. Bruce Wayne in them dark night.
My name is Alexander Leviathan. Welcome to the den, and thank you for being a part of my Indigo Plateau. I am your Pokemon World Champion! And today, since you came back for more, let's celebrate, and you will get 4 more. I got 2 more Elite Trainer boxes. I pre-ordered from GameStop, came in yesterday. Yes! And what I want to do is incorporate celebration packs with my regular openings, so you will get 4 more plus 2 celebrations to go with it and wrap up the video. Because I want to open celebrations for as long as I can. This set is addictive and I love it. I will find you, Gold Mew. I will claim you. But back to our regularly scheduled program. Evolving skies, chilling rain, sword and shield base, steam siege, and the 2 celebrations to wrap it all up. Let's start with evolving skies. Let's go! I pulled a Charizard yesterday. Blastoise. All I'm missing is Venusaur from Celebrations. Cocart. And I caught a Mega Rayquaza from Celebrations. Let's add the Rayquaza VMAX to match. Let's go. Fire Energy, Border, Aroma Lady, Rescue Carrier, Drowsy, Flababy, Rock'n'Roller, Sigh, Duck, Swablu for the reverse rare, and for the finale of Pack 1, I will unify with the Intercontinental Champion of the Pokemon World, Savin Brass. Shiftry, nothing good there. We move on to Chilling Rain. Let's go. Opening all these massive sets has been exhausting, so Cocart. To have a small set like Celebrations to open and you pull what you want to pull, it feels amazing. All of it. Water Energy, Peon, Spiral Energy, Laron, Aeron, Deerling, Delibird, Larvesta, Mareep. Peon for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 2. Nothing. Scolipede for the L. We move on to Sword and Shield. Let us go. Cocart. Let's see. Leaf Energy, Seaking, Big Charm, Rotom Pike, Q-Fence, Krabby, Amber, Silk Cobra, Glossifer, Joltik for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 3. Dreadnought, swinging and missing. Come on. Steam. Siege. Let's go. Coke heart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Boom! By Sharp. Wow. What is that? Dual type by Sharp. Dark and metal. Did I miss something? No energy card. Cobalion for the reverse. And by Sharp Hollow for the rare. Okay. And that gets the tie. Seal of approval. And since I'm not opening full celebrations, I am comfortable with sealing up these cards from the recommendation of the sponsor of this channel. Always has and always will be Corvxnite. Corvxnite! If it's not triple sleeve, it's not protected. By Sharp. Dual typing. You are being sealed, my friend. Sealed all the way up, yes. Now we move on to the main event. To celebrations. Let's go! Sizors. Here we go. Here we go. I'm excited. Coke heart. Okay, here we go. Reshiram, Kyogre, Zekrom, Professor's Research. Okay, those are doubles for me. Okay. Last celebrations pack. We already got hit with the hollow dual type Bite Sharp. Can we add to it for something big in celebrations? Let's go! Sizors. Coke heart. Here we go. Reshiram. Groudon. Ho-Oh. And a Professor's Research. Okay. And that is our Pokemon breaking video for today. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am your Pokemon World Champion. Mwah. And I hope to see you again tomorrow for more, where I will be breaking for more. Play the track.
Be sending, I must smite. Burn hot flame all white. Cause it's lit. Stands know it's ahead. Razor sharp wit. The crown might split.